fast is over. Power smoothie, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. Fast is over. So I've been doing intermittent fasting now. I think, how long, I got back on this a month or more ago, and it is just going so smooth. Like, I'm just totally transitioned into it. So if you don't know what intermittent fasting is, I've done videos on it. You can check it out, but basically I'm doing the 16-8, so 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating. So I basically start around 1 o'clock eating. So I have my workout before, so I do train fasted. Then when I get home, I have this power smoothie, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. So that right there is my power smoothie filled with all kinds of superfoods, nutrients to break my fast, to fuel me back up, to get ready for the rest of the day. Let's take a little shippy ship. Cheers.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.